Right, if you opened Google Photos today and it looks different, you're not going mad. Google's just rolled out a redesign to everyone. Nothing's broken, everything's still there, it's just moved. I'll show you what's new in about 2 minutes. Here's the old bottom bar. Flat, docked to the edge, tabs stretched across the whole width. Now the new one, it's floating, it sits slightly above the edge, takes up less space. You can see a bit more of your photos underneath, which is the whole point. The main change is the floating pill in the middle. 3 tabs live in there. Photos on the left, that's your feed. Collections in the middle, that's your album's favourite screenshots. And create on the right, movies, animations, all the same stuff, one pill. To the right of the pill, there's a separate round button, that's your search and ask photos. The Gemini one where you can talk to your library. Google's split it off from the main tabs so it's easier to reach with your thumb. Small thing up top, that little floating pill with today's date is new. It used to just float over your photos as you scroll. If you don't like it, tap the 3 dots in the top right and turn on Show Dates in Grid. That puts dates back inside the feed itself. That's the update, nothing's gone. It's just moved, rolling out server side on Google Photos 7.82 or higher. If yours still looks the old way, give it a few days.